With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is in which of the following titrations phenolphthalein can be used as indicator? Options are NaOH with H2CO3, KOH with CH3COOH, NH4OH with HCl, NH4OH with CH3COOH. So in the question we are given some acid-base titrations and we have been asked where phenolphthalein can be used as indicator. So when acid-base titration reactions occur, so an acid reacts with a base to give you salt and water. Means a neutralization reaction takes place. Now let us see phenolphthalein. So phenolphthalein is an indicator which in acidic solutions is colorless and in basic solutions it is pink. And the pH range in which phenolphthalein is pink in color is 8 to 10. Now this is the basic pH. Means here this salt plus water solution, whatever is forming, this should be basic in nature so that phenolphthalein will show pink color. And then you can detect the endpoint has occurred. But for this solution to be basic, your reaction or titration should be a strong acid, strong base titration, or then a weak acid, strong base titration. The cases where strong bases are used, there you get the pH range of 8 to 10, that is the basic pH range. Now coming to the given options. Here the first titration is NaOH with H2CO3. So NaOH is a strong base and H2CO3 is a weak acid. Therefore here you can use phenolphthalein as indicator. Second is KOH and CH3COOH. Here also same, KOH is a strong base, CH3COH, acetic acid, is a weak acid. So here phenolphthalein can be used as indicator. The third one is NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Now HCl is a strong acid, NH4OH is a weak base. Therefore you cannot use phenolphthalein as indicator. And the fourth one is NH4OH and CH3COH. Now here NH4OH is weak base, CH3COH is a weak acid. So here also you cannot use phenolphthalein as indicator. So you have two correct options, 1 and 2. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.